Welcome to my channel Ajay V Vlogs. My name is Ajay V Singh Maggo. So today I am going to show you my next vlog. And sorry friends, I was unable to make my vlogs, my videos, as I am busy in these days, as I have so many tests. My school is conducting 2 or 3 tests daily, so that's why I was very busy to make a vlog. But I have taken time, and I was thinking so much which topic I should make my next vlog. So I thought that one day I was writing with my all the pens in my notebook, and when I was writing, I thought that why should I make a vlog on this topic. On I will show which one you should. Means I am not a proper person to tell you which one you should consider. But I thought that okay, I will make on this topic. So today I will show you how. This I have my bundle of pens. So I use them in my daily routine. I have 15 pens, but I am showing you only my 10 pens because others I don't want to show them. So I will specifically tell you what about all these pens, and including how many Parkers I have. So let's get started. Number one, my most favorite pen is this, the Parker Vector Gold. This is my favorite roller pen ever. It is a gel roller. So I basically use it when I want to write very fast. I use it usually not on. I use them daily, but this I use very less, as I specifically use the gel pens. This is also a gel, but this is a roller pen. So I will tell you. This cost rupees 750 rupees, and I have something written for you. Wait, see this. See this. This is I have written with my all 10 pens. This is divided into 10. If you multiply by 2 5s are 10. This is 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, this is 1 2 3 4 5. So 2 5s are 10. So these are I have written with my 10 pens. So see this. This I have written with this roller gold. You can see it, roller gold. This means this is very smooth pen. I always prefer to use this pen when I have to write very fast, very quick. So I will tell you why I use this, and this cost rupees 750. I have purchased it this year only. I have 3 Parkers, but I had 8 Parkers. 3 were stolen from 3 were stolen, or 3 were stolen from a school, or I misplaced them in my school. But I have only my 5 pens now, 5 Parkers. So I will tell what other pens I have. So next comes this. The V7. This is the Luxor V7 High Tech Point 0.7. So I have written this also with it to show you specifically. See this. This is the V7. I have written my name Ajay Veer. I have done my signature. So this is the V7 Ajay Veer. It is also very smooth. I like this pen, but I mostly prefer V5. V5 is the lower variant of it, but they come at same price. Both of them come at 60 rupees. Both of them are 60 rupees. So next is this Uniball. Next is this Uniball I Micro. See this. 1 minute. It's not focusing. See this. Okay. I have written with this also, but I have not written here. I will write and show you. Okay, so I am just writing now with this. Okay, I am writing. I will write my name with this. This is very smooth. I like this also, but I use it very less. I have purchased it recently, and I have this Trimax roller. It's black. It's a black color. It cost 50 rupees, and I forgot to tell its price. It also costs of 60 rupees. 60. So I have written with this ruler black. See this Trimax ruler. It also works very nicely. See this. So next pen I have my Parker. I don't know its specific model. I think it's Parker silver, like that. I don't know. I purchased it 1 year back. So it costs of 600 rupees. So I will tell. I have written with this also. See this gel Parker. It is a very nice pen. I also love to write with this. But last time when I purchased it refill, it was it leaked. So I don't prefer this and this. But this time when I purchased a new ink refill, it works very nicely. So next is this. It is the partner of Uniball Live Micro. Just like V7 and V5, both of 60 rupees. Only V7 writes more thick. V5 writes more thick, and it writes V7 writes more darker. So this is more thick and this is darker. So it is of 60. This is also of 60. So I will show you like this. It is also a nice pen. I also prefer it, but I mostly use V5. See, but I mostly use V5. It is also a nice pen. See this. See this. So next pen is I have this. This is of 30 rupees. I don't know, it's a Pentel or Pentel pen. I don't know which one it is. It is a Pentel pen. It also writes nicely, but I didn't like it so much. It was not that much good, not effective. So I use it. I also use it very less. So this next I have the Parker. This next I have Parker. It costs rupees 850. I have the Parker, but I don't know its model name. It costs. It is a gel pen. It is a gel pen. It costs rupees 850. See this. I mainly use it for the signatures or writing something special. I only then use it. Okay. So I will show you the V5 also. I forgot to show it to you. The partner of V7. It is the partner of V7. Both are of same price, but this write more darker and it writes thicker. The V5. I will just show you in 1 second. Here is the V5. This and the Parker Vector Gold. These both are my favorite pens. These both are gel. I will tell you how. I will show you how it works. How it make me feel so good. This is a very thin pen, very light, and I love this. This is a very smooth pen. I love this. See this. This is of 60 rupees. As I've told you, it is the partner of V7. See this. I have written with this also. It's V7. It's V5. Here is the V5. And today I am not using my Boya mic, which I have purchased only mainly for my videos only. But I have not used it as there was a settings problem in my camera app. So I used mainly open camera app, not my phone original camera app. But today I am using my phone's original camera app. So there is no problem, no technical issues. But I thought that today I should make a video without my mic. So I am not using my mic today. So I thought that I thought that I should not use my mic today. And please tell me that I hope you like this video. I thought that today I will make a vlog. Today I think that I will make a vlog. So here is my vlog for you. If you enjoy it, if you were interested in pens, so please like it and share with your family and friends. And now I will tell you something more. this was my vlog, and I am bringing my next vlog tomorrow only. So I have taken my time for my videos also, as and I am getting very good marks in my these tests. So I am confident that I should also make my videos also along the studies, and I am studying hard also in my studies. I am getting good marks. Today also I have my test. I got full marks, and yesterday also I had my test. I got full marks. So now you will get vlogs regularly. Means one vlog in 1 week, or 2 weeks in 2 weeks. Maximum in 2 weeks, one vlog will come. So please, and I have done the scripting for my main channel ajayveers.maggu. Scripting has also done for my comedy sketch. So please subscribe that channel also. I will give you link in description. So if you like my video, please subscribe my channel and like my videos. So subscribe my other channel, Case Study Guru. I also make case studies on it, and case study will also come on world's industrial disaster. So please subscribe it. Thanks. Bye for now. This is Ajay V Singh Maggu signing off. Bye bye. Wait for the next.